Hello YouTubers, welcome to part 2 of this video. If you haven't seen part 1, check out at this link. In the previous episode you found out how and why have I choose this rear rack, which after using it for more than 3000 kilometers has broken, although most of the time the top box was empty. The bracket was made of a 4mm thick aluminum. The good news is that it happened now and not later, because I'm just going to have a 1700 kilometer tour in Transylvania in about 10 days. The bad one is that I got a relatively short time to acquire my new rack, to install and test it. For the sake of good order, I gave feedback to the AliExpress shop and let them to know their product has failed. I was expecting that they will no answer or will blame me that I might overloaded the rack, but hey, they answered me next day. Hi friend, we are sorry to the quality problem. We will keep improving our products. We can resend you a steel bracket. Wow, I was impressed. 10 years ago, AliExpress sellers were not so customer friendly. Really. Although I had not too much trust in this product due to the past experience, I asked them to send me the steel bracket. I have nothing to lose with it, isn't it? Choosing a new rear rack was really straightforward. I went with a known brand, SW-Motech, and ordered the Street-Rack and extension plate combo kit. They declared a 12 kg loading capacity, which is the biggest out of the 4 I have considered. 5 business days later, the SW-Motech rack was delivered. Let's open it up. So we got here an invoice. That's heavy. It's gonna be the mounting plate. Catalog. Oh, it's heavy too. And this is gonna be the extension plate. Here we are. This mounting plate seems very robust. It's made of plastic reinforced with fiberglass, and with that latch can be installed and uninstalled easily. And it's pretty heavy. We got here mounting instructions, some screws. This is the extension plate. It's very light, made of aluminum. The mounting plate comes like this. The extension plate is gonna be installed on top of it through these holes. So you can install a duffel bag on the top of this plate. The plate can be installed in this way as well, and it's gonna work as an extension of the saddle. Let's see the other parts. I checked and I got all the parts I need. So we can proceed with the installation of this rack. Let's remove the saddle. Then I will uninstall these passenger grips by removing these screws, rivets, screws. Let's get started. Here is the left side. And this is the broken part. This aluminum was not holding. And now remove the right side passenger hand grip. Right now I am installing these metal parts provided by SW-Motech in order to cover these holes left over after the removal of the passenger hand grip. In my opinion, these metal covers are over-engineered. Plastic ones would do the job perfectly. Here we are. So I can state that the installation of these covers is completed, and now I will install the rack holders. These are the next parts to be installed. This is ready to be mounted. And as a next step, we install here this plate. Okay, I'm ready. And here comes my new rear rack. Not long after that, I had a 600-kilometer one-day test ride to make sure the motorcycle is technically sound, ready for the tour. And after that, I had my 1,700-kilometer tour in Transylvania. Most of the time I rode on tarmac, but had dirt road too. I can tell you that the SW-Motech rack was doing its job perfectly, and the top box too. Guess what? After I got home, the ALIEXPRESS steel bracket was already waiting for me. So what's next? I'm thinking about replacing the SW-Motech rack with these ones and test it. Let's see what this Kung Fu Panda is good for. If that happens, it's gonna be another video. Until then, open road and safe ride.